Very good evening to you. The dry conditions for the start of December are producing beautiful jacarandas at the moment, and they're enjoying the mild conditions also. The sky scan shows the southeasterlies bringing us a little bit of cloud during the morning. The sea breeze was established around 10:30 and started freshening around 11:30 today, and then we saw the skies start to clear. Got to a maximum today of 23.8 degrees. That was around 11:30 this morning. The overnight minimum was 12.8. At the moment it's 19.7. The sea breeze is blowing at 20 kilometres an hour. The barometer 1015.3, and it's starting to rise fairly significantly. The relative humidity around 55%. The daytime temperatures warm out to the east, 30 reported at Northern, but mild along the coast and offshore, 22 on Rottnest Island. The lowest in our area was 20. That was recorded on Garden Island, and that was the equal lowest in the state. Outside the metropolitan area, 20 was reported in the southwest at Shannon. The highest maximum was double that, 40 at Newman, and 5 was the lowest overnight. That was recorded at Ayr, Salmon Gums and Jarrwood. Some pretty good falls through the western part of the Kimberley in the 24 hours up until 9 o'clock this morning. The best of those was on Kimbolton Station, which is northeast of Broome, with a total of 58 millimetres. You can see the activity streaming down from the northwest over the Kimberley down into the interior. There is a severe thunderstorm warning for the southern interior and adjacent eastern goldfields this evening to cover some heavy rain, some flash flooding and large hail. On the chart, you can see a trough over central parts of the state. That southern trough isn't that important. The conditions around that are reasonably dry, but north of the other trough, we're expecting the showers and thunderstorms to continue tomorrow. Strong winds are expected on the Ningaloo coast and the Gascoyne coast. Fire weather warning out for the Gascoyne. The rainfall should be north of that trough, so showers and thunderstorms in the Kimberley where they could be scattered and there might be an isolated heavy fall. East Pilbara, Interior and Eucla are also going to pick up some shower activity. We'll get a weak cold front pass south of us early on Wednesday morning, and there is a slight chance of that bringing a shower as far north as Perth. Then we're going to take a significant jump in temperatures on Thursday and into the weekend. You can expect temperatures in the 30s over the weekend. Here are the temperatures for tomorrow. A bit cloudy through the southwest land division, but it's generally fine. Up in Broome and in Port Hedland, you can expect a shower or thunderstorm, and a very hot one on the way for Kununurra, 42 there. For the nation, Sydney and Canberra both expecting rain. Both cities could get between 5 and 15 millimetres tomorrow. A shower or two expected in Hobart. In Darwin and Alice Springs, a shower or thunderstorm. The other cities should be fine. On the waters, south to southeasterlies, not very strong, 10 to 15 knots. They'll be going south to southwesterly around the same speed from early afternoon. So seas between 1 and 1.5 metres on a southwesterly swell around a metre. High tides tonight, that's 0.9 of a metre at 24 minutes to midnight. The only tide time tomorrow is a low tide at just under 0.6 of a metre at 5 minutes to 9 in the morning. Sunrise at 3 past 5 and the sunset at 12 past 7. Perth should be partly cloudy tomorrow. The winds will be light to start with, and we'll get a moderate sea breeze in the afternoon. A minimum of 12 degrees, and tomorrow's maximum should be around 25. Wednesday, with that weak cold front going through, we get no increase in the temperature, so around 25 once again. A slight chance of picking up a shower. On Thursday it should be sunny, 13 to 31. Then Friday 36 degrees. Start the weekend with 34 degrees. Sunday there is a slight chance of a shower, but it'll probably be less than a millimetre, but it still looks like we'd reach around 31 degrees, Narelda. So that's your weather.
Yeah, thanks very much, Michael. And that's all from the Perth newsroom for now. Thanks for joining us for our very first bulletin from Subiaco. Good night.
Good night.